Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I am Sam.
And I am Luna. And today I have a challenge for Sam.
And I genuinely do not know what is coming. Luna told me nothing before this episode.
I am going to use 5 real American English words in conversation. Words that almost never appear in English textbooks. Words your teacher probably never taught you.
And I am going to react exactly the way you would react. Because some of these, I honestly do not know either.
By the end of this episode, you will have 5 new words that will make you sound like a real American English speaker.
Let us do this.
Okay, Sam. I am going to use the first word right now in a sentence. Are you ready?
I am ready.
My friend was supposed to meet me for coffee yesterday. She canceled at the last minute. She does this every single time. She is so flaky.
Flaky. Okay. I know that word from food, like a flaky croissant, pastry that breaks into little pieces.
That is the food meaning. But when Americans use flaky to describe a person, it means something completely different.
What does it mean?
A flaky person is someone who is unreliable. They cancel plans at the last minute. They say they will do something and then they do not do it. They forget, they disappear, and then they come back like nothing happened.
I know so many flaky people.
Everyone does. And here is how you use it. I cannot count on him. He is so flaky. Or, she canceled again. She is such a flake.
Wait, flake works too?
Yes, flaky is the adjective, flake is the noun. Same meaning. She is flaky, she is a flake. Both are correct.
Okay, let me try it. Luna, you are the least flaky person I know. You are always on time, always prepared.
Thank you, Sam. That is actually a very good sentence.
I am practicing. And listener, think about someone in your life right now who cancels plans all the time. That person is flaky. Now you have the word for it.
Word number 2. Here it comes in a sentence. Sam lost a game last night, and he has been salty about it all morning.
Hey, I have not been... Wait, salty. I know this one from food. Too much salt. The opposite of sweet.
That is the food meaning again. But when Americans call a person salty, what do you think it means?
Is it like angry?
Close, but more specific than angry. Salty means bitter, quietly upset, a little annoyed, but in a sulking kind of way. Not screaming angry. More like something happened and you cannot let it go, and everyone around you can tell.
Oh, like when your team loses a game and your friend cannot stop talking about it 3 days later?
Exactly. You would say, why is he still so salty about the game? It was 3 days ago.
That is so specific. I have used bitter for this my whole life, but salty is so much better.
Because bitter can mean many things. Salty has that one very specific feeling, quietly upset and cannot move on.
Okay, Luna, are you salty that I scored higher than you on our last quiz?
I am not salty, Sam. I am unbothered.
That was the saltiest answer possible. And listener, if you have ever felt that quiet, annoyed feeling after something did not go your way, that feeling has a name now. Salty.
Word number 3. Sentence coming. I low-key love reality television. I know it is not cool, but I cannot stop watching it.
Low-key. Okay, I actually think I know this one.
Tell me what you think it means.
Like, quiet, relaxed, not a big deal?
That is one correct use. A low-key party means a small, calm gathering. But the way I just used it, I low-key love reality television, that is a different meaning. And it is the most common one Americans use today.
Okay, what does it mean in that sentence?
When you say, I low-key love this, you are admitting something you are a little embarrassed to admit. You are saying, I know this might be surprising. I know this might not be cool, but honestly, it is true. I kind of love it.
So it softens the admission. Like a confession, but casual.
Exactly. It takes away the pressure of the admission, makes it feel light, easy, like you are letting the listener in on a small secret.
I low-key still watch cartoons on weekends. There, I said it.
Perfect sentence. And it also works for negative things. I low-key do not want to go to this party. Meaning, part of you wants to go, but honestly, not really.
And listener, this is your moment. What is something you low-key love, but have never admitted out loud? Drop it in the comments. We really want to know.
Word number 4. And this one has a surprising history. Sentence first. I texted him 3 times this week. No reply. I think he is ghosting me.
Oh, I actually know this one. Ghosting. When someone just disappears, like a ghost. No reply, no explanation, just gone.
That is exactly right. You know this one.
Because it happened to me.
I am sorry to hear that. But yes, ghosting is when someone completely cuts off communication with no warning and no explanation. And the person being ghosted has no idea why.
And it is not just in dating, right? It happens in friendships and work situations too.
Absolutely. A coworker can ghost you. A company can ghost a job applicant after an interview. Just complete silence. No response.
Which is so frustrating, by the way.
Very. Now, here is the surprising part. The word ghosting only became popular in the last 10 to 15 years. And do you know why?
Because of smartphones?
Exactly. Before smartphones, if someone did not reply, maybe they just did not get the message. But now you can see read at 3:47 p.m. and then nothing. That silence finally had a name.
So smartphones created the word ghosting? That is kind of wild.
Language always follows life. And ghost works as a verb, too. He ghosted me. She has been ghosting me for 2 weeks. I cannot believe he just ghosted her.
And listener, if someone has ever gone completely silent on you for no reason, now you know the word. They ghosted you. And that says everything about them, not about you.
Last word. Word number 5. And this one is big. Sentence. I walked into that coffee shop and the vibe was just perfect. I ended up staying there for 3 hours.
Vibe. Okay. I use this word, but I want to hear your full breakdown because I think there are levels to it.
There are definitely levels. At the most basic level, vibe means the feeling or energy of a place, a person, or a situation. Something you sense, something you feel without it being explained to you.
Like when you walk into a room and immediately feel comfortable or uncomfortable, and you cannot explain exactly why.
Exactly. This place has a great vibe. Or, I don't know, something feels off about this place. the vibe is weird.
And you can use it for people too. She has a really good vibe, meaning she gives off positive, comfortable energy. You feel good around her.
Yes, and vibing, that is when two people are connecting naturally. We were just vibing the whole night. The conversation was easy, natural, no effort, pure connection.
And vibe check. I love this one.
A vibe check is when someone assesses the mood or energy of a situation. Vibe check, how is everyone feeling right now? It is asking, is the energy good? Is everything okay?
And the word works as a noun, a verb, and even an adjective. The vibe is good. We are vibing. This place is so vibe.
Americans took one word and made it do everything.
That is the English language for you. Okay, vibe check. Listener, how are you feeling right now? 5 new words. Are you feeling good? Because I am feeling very good.
Okay, 5 words. Let us run through them one more time. Flaky, someone who is unreliable and always cancels plans. Salty, quietly bitter and upset about something you cannot let go. Low-key, admitting something casually that you are a little embarrassed about. Ghosting, when someone disappears from your life with zero explanation. Vibe, the energy and feeling of a person, place, or situation. 5 words. None of them in a textbook, all of them used by real Americans every single day. And here is your challenge right now. Before you close this episode, use one of these 5 words in a sentence, out loud, right now, wherever you are. Because saying it once out loud is worth more than reading it 100 times.
The English that connects you to real people is not the English in textbooks. It is the English people actually speak. And now, you speak a little more of it.
Drop your sentence in the comments. Tell us which word you picked and how you used it.
And subscribe if you have not already. We have more episodes coming that are going to keep surprising you.
See you in the next one.
See you there.